Alright, this is going to be a test of my Wheelock MT24 LSM. I'm going to be testing all the tones on it. Only the horn is hooked up, not the strobes. So, yep, here we go. It's currently set to continuous horn. Okay, now set to dip switch 2 down, if I can get it. There we go. Now, not sure what this next one is. I can tell you in 2 seconds. Code 3 tone. Now let's flip switch 2 back on and flip down switch 3. Okay, let's see what this one is. Bell. Switch 4 down. Switch 3 up. There we go. Let's see what this one is. Code 3 horn, and the beginning, how it sounded like 4001 code 3, it doesn't do that. It was just the battery slipped out of the wire. Anyway, switch 2 up and the rest of them down. Like a get it, there we go. Okay, that was siren. Let me see here. Switch 3 on. And this one, and switch 2 down. Let's see what this one is. Slow whoop. There we go. March time horn, and the last one high-low. And that was all 8 tones of my Wheelock MT24 LSM. Thank you for watching.